Hello dear friends. If you want to keep certain apps private or simply make your home screen look cleaner, Samsung Galaxy phones offer a built-in feature that lets you hide apps without uninstalling them. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a few moments. Start by unlocking your Samsung phone and going to the home screen. Next, long press on an empty area of the home screen until the customization menu appears. Tap Settings to open the home screen settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Then tap it. A list of all the installed apps on your phone will appear. Browse through the list and tap each app that you want to hide. When an app is selected, you'll see a check mark or a minus icon, indicating it has been chosen. After selecting all the apps you want to conceal, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. The selected apps will immediately disappear from both your home screen and the app drawer, helping keep them out of sight from anyone using your phone. Keep in mind that hiding an app does not uninstall it or delete any of its data. The apps will continue to function normally, including receiving notifications and updates in the background. If you ever want to access a hidden app again, simply return to the same Hide Apps on Home and App Screens menu, deselect the app and tap Done. The app will instantly reappear in your app drawer and on your home screen if you choose to place it there. This built-in Samsung feature is a simple and effective way to organize your device while adding an extra layer of privacy for your personal apps.